Hello everybody, how's it going? In today's episode, there's a new update. Now, I'm really happy because look at this truck. We have an old Ford, and I built it into a shop truck. It's called Master's Towing. Instead of Track Master Towing, it's just Master Towing. And it looks pretty cool, but that's not the only thing. Let's go to stocks here and see them. There's the old Ford. There's the Ranger, which, if you don't know, I have an episode that will be coming out soon. But do you guys remember, what was his name? Weston Champlin, I think. Probably said that absolutely wrong, but he made a Ford Ranger. No, he bought a Ford Ranger, quote unquote, monster truck. It was like a little mini monster truck, and it had like redneck science on the bed. I did a video on it before, but I had to use the F-250 that we have in game. I had to use, where is it? Where is it? Probably with the older stuff. Hold up. I had to use this to make that truck. Now that we have the new stuff, aka the new truck, now I can build that truck. So that episode will be coming out, I think, Monday or Tuesday. And then we have this. Let me get some color on it. There we go. This is a Chevy S10. We already have another S10. But this is the, like, Sonoma back bumper, like, I would say higher trim level than the normal S10 that we have in game. And another episode that I will have coming out Wednesday or Thursday is where I actually built a Chevy Extreme. And if you don't know what a Chevy Extreme is, from, I don't know, Dirty Bird will probably tell me, even in the comments. Maybe some of you guys can too. Some of the Chevy Extremes went from 1996 to 1998, I think. I'm not really too good on my S10s for that kind of stuff. But, you know, Dirty Bird's the S10 freak. So, yeah. Then you had the Chevy Extreme. You had the four-door Chevy Extreme. You have the cab and a half, aka extended cab. Or you have the single cab. But since we only have a single cab, I built the single cab. And I think for today's video, we'll build, we'll build this. I just have to run and get some money real quick. Or can I sell something? Yes, I already have one of the S10s. I don't really drive this as much, so we'll just move that out and sell it. Alright, $23,000. Perfect. Stock. Come on, there we go. And boom. Now we have a Ford Ranger. Let's do body first. Ooh, wait. Should we do some type of like a rusty? No. Maybe. Do like an old rusty truck. And we'll figure it out. Oh, we could do a dually. Could do like a dually Ford Ranger. Maybe. I don't know. You know, let's just do it. Why not? Rear bumper. Oh, roll pan. Wait, no, I have a better idea. Let's do a lowered racing, like, truck. So let's go back to a roll pan. Oh, flatbed. Oh, that's such a cool looking thing right there. Cage? I don't want any cage on this. We don't need any running boards. Roof light, we don't need a roof light. Horn. Perfect. We don't need that. Exhaust pipe we definitely need. We'll do some racing. Actually, if this is going to be a race one, let's just do zoomy exhaust. Let's do blue headlights because we haven't used any other color. You don't need to rip that. Let's put that. Tow mirrors, nope. Okay, perfect. 18 gold down the drain. And then do a little bit of windshield tint, so like that much. Glossy. Ooh, should we do purple? And call this plum crazy if we do like a really crazy tune on it. Yeah, we'll stick with that. Rims. What kind of rims do I want to go with? You know what? Let's just do these. Yeah, these will work. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. That looks really, really good. And 20 gold. Now we need to go to the back. What were those? Okay. There we go. Black. Black. Ooh, woo. That looks good. Apply mods. There we go. We need to lower this thing. First, we have to do our width. But to put our tires down too. Okay, perfect, perfect. Wheels. We'll go up a side. Yeah, we'll do that. Where would that be? Okay, right there. 1, 2. Okay, perfect. I'll go down. 2. Okay. Rims, those just need to be huge. Okay. It's turned out pretty well so far. Okay, okay. Now we should do the bottom. So that should stay black, and then this can be our purple nurple. $500. And then I think I want to do some brands. I'm not sponsored by these brands at all. I'm just making a race truck. Holly, why not? Put that right there. Make it a little smaller though. Put to the other side. Okay, we'll do... Let's do them. Okay, not bad, not bad. Do we have, Yes, we do, right here. You know who Offroad really needs to get in touch with? Snap-on. They should really, like, be like, yo, can we have your logo for, like, a racing, for our racing brands that we have? Because if you think about it, if you go to any type of a car show, they have, like, some NASCAR drivers are sponsored by Snap-on. So, and besides, that's just, like, extra money for Snap-on, if you think about it. Oh, I don't think I pay for all that. Nope. Okay. So I guess I'm gonna have to go get some money, and I'll be right back. Okay. So I have money, plus gold. So now we can finish our brands, and then we can get into some tuning. What else do we have? I forget what. Oh yeah, I had this. And then I also had them. And boom. Okay. Let's get all this duplicated to the other side. Oh, this looks like a real race truck now. Upgrades. So I think let's do our motor first. Then we'll do our turbo. Should we do NOS? Nah. We should do grip. That's what we should do. We're gonna need a lot more money for grip. Okay. I kind of want to tune the suspension because the back looks kind of high still. So we'll just like tune that down just a little bit. Suspension tune, rear. Or am I just stupid? Does it look high or low? The back looks low. We'll put the back down just a little bit. Maybe up. Nope, definitely needs to go down. Okay, perfect. Yeah, there we go. We don't have enough money for tires. But... well, we don't really have enough money for anything. We can't go to... where is it at? I forget where it's at now. We can't do a dyno test because we don't have the tuning pack or perfect setup. But let's just see what it makes right now. That sounded pretty good. So with max HP is 530, max TQ, don't know what that means, is 398, average HP is 368, average TQ is 324. The blue line goes up to 437 and starts going down. Green goes up to 146 and goes all the way up to 583. Not bad, not bad. So we'll definitely need to do some playing around with it, like with the tuning and everything, because I have a map just for that. But if you guys did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about this new update. I think it's amazing. I mean, come on, dude. We have, I would say, late 50s Ford. I'm not even going to try to guess how old this thing is. This old Ranger. And then I actually noticed something. This looks more like a Sonoma. Because this, if we go over here, that looks like an actual S10. But this one looks more like a Sonoma. I don't know. You guys can kind of tell me if I'm right about that or not. But, yeah, I'll see you guys on next time. Peace out.